Hey everyone, welcome back. It's a tutorial for 2026, and in this video I'll show you how to create professional website mockups using Uizard AI step by step. Let's get started. First, open Uizard AI in your browser and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up for free using your email or Google account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on New Project. Here you'll see different options, but for creating a website mockup quickly, select Website Design and then choose Generate with AI or Auto Designer. If you already have a website screenshot or a hand-drawn sketch, you can use Uizard's Screenshot Scanner or Wireframe Scanner to convert it into an editable mockup automatically. Once your design is ready, switch to Prototype mode to connect pages and create interactive navigation. This helps you preview how the website will work before development. Finally, share the project with your team or clients, or export the design for further development. And that's how you can create professional website mockups in Uizard AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.